Hello, I'm Derek Crane with Crane Factor, and we bring you programs, products, and inspiration on healthy living, fitness training, and living an amazing life. Today on Workout Wednesday, we have primarily an upper body focused on that intermediate to advanced level of fitness. We have 3 rounds of 15 push-ups, right into 10 mountain climbers, right into 15-second plank hold, right into 10 knee to elbow push-ups, right into 20 mountain climbers, with 1 minute rest between each round. We'll break down each exercise. What we want to do is the full version. I will also give you the scaled. So work your way up to the full version if you're starting out at scaled. So going into the push-ups here, what we're looking for the push-ups, palms slightly wider than shoulder width apart. We're going to bring the chest down to the ground, elbows come in towards the body, chest touches the ground, pushing right back up. So coming down, right back up. So full extension up at the top. And that is the full version of the push-up. The scaled version is that you're gonna bring the knees down to the ground. You can walk the hands forward slightly. And then you're gonna bring that chest right between the palms, pushing right back up. Going right into the mountain climbers, next mountain climbers. The full version is you're gonna bring your foot all the way up towards your hands, and then when you switch, it's a light jump over to the other side. The scaled version of that is knee comes in towards the chest, and then switching over to the other side. So on that movement, 1 equals 1. What I mean by that is, this is 1 rep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until you get to 10. Same with the scaled, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until you get to 10. Right into a 15-second plank hold. The full version of that is from that push-up position. You're gonna hold this full plank, pushing through the palms of your hands, squeezing the glutes, the hamstrings, the quads, holding for 15 seconds. Scaled version is coming down to the elbows, and again, squeezing the glutes, the quads, the hamstrings, engaging the core, and just holding for 15 seconds. Going right into 10 knee to elbow push-ups. I'll show you what that looks like. You're gonna come down to the ground, right knee to right elbow, coming back, pushing up. Then switching over to the other side, coming down to the ground, left knee to left elbow, and then pushing up. The scaled version of that is holding this plank hold, bring your right knee to your left elbow, hold, and then bring it back, switch over to the other side. So that's the scaled version. You're gonna do 10 knee to elbow push-ups and then move right into 20 mountain climbers, either that full version or that scaled version. Rest 1 minute, and then do another round until you hit 3 rounds. This workout is designed as a HIIT workout, meaning high intensity interval training. What you want to go from one exercise right to the next, right to the next, right to the next, as quick as you can, and then rest for a minute. When that minute hits, you're right back into those 15 push-ups, going through that whole round as quick as you can. When that round's up, you rest for 60 seconds. When that 60 seconds is up, hit that last round as hard as you can. Document this, write this down, write down your time, come back to it. So that's it for today for Workout Wednesday. Additionally, we have created an entire program called Fit 22, which gets you an hour's worth of workout within 22 minutes a day. We have an entire nutritional program that gives you a guideline about what to eat. We walk you through step by step about how to create lean muscle mass, creating six-pack, creating toning and defining, losing weight and getting fit. All the details are below. Be sure to click on that link, check out the program, enroll today to get fit in only 22 minutes a day. Leave us your comments below. Definitely be sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button. Check out our other videos. Thank you for tuning in today. See you in the next video.